Yeah, we're fine. Our mower didn't make it.
Oh yeah, really? Okay, I don't feel so bad.
He's got a few branches down, right here and there. Here comes the sun. Dang, the carnage. It's the small trees that will survive, eh? Oh wow, branch came down across the road. I still can't believe that shed survived. I didn't see much down in Gary's yard, which surprised me because I know one of his trees is hollow.
She does have one tree there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we got the most damage in the neighborhood. That's what happens when you have bad trees in your yard.
I know, exactly.
Oh well. It helped. Well, Uncle Ed, well, he doesn't have a truck anymore. Well, he does, but. Uh oh. Here's another one falling. Wonder where that was from. Check those walnut trees. You sure? Dang. Oh, there's some police down there.
Where?
Right there. Right there. Oh, I wonder if someone got stuck on a trail.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Hey, but I don't want to get in trouble from you guys being out.
Yeah, it looks like it's over.
Well, let's just hope.
Oh.
Everybody at my house is safe except for maybe
Hopefully I
not the
can
cats.
fix it.
What?
Maybe not the cats.
Or mower
I'm pretty
screwed.
sure. Yeah.
So none of the trees, you're okay?
Yeah. But my dog tramps, the dogs are okay.
Yeah, I know.
The dogs are okay for sure, but they don't know.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
pretty sure that one of the cats.
I saw this one tree fall down over here.
Yeah, I know.
And that pine tree over there looks like it's leaning by the Douglas yard. Oh wow. These trees made it. We'll have a lot less leaves to take care of this year, that's for sure. Yeah, this place got screwed.
That is true. That's one good thing that happened, I guess.
Holy cow!
Oh wow.
The trail's like completely blocked. How'd they even get a truck over there?
They're
Must have went all the
probably
way
clearing out the trail right now.
Yeah. What if somebody got caught in it? Oh, the tree passed it over there. I wonder if their concrete person was alright. Well, there were no trees by it.
Look at this big tree fell.
I know.
That's when we heard.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Huge trees falling.
So many trees are gone. Just gone.
Wanna have a drive around town?
No. Yeah.
No.
Mine.
No.
Perfectly fine.
I'd rather ride my bike around town.
It's like not even. Okay, it is kind of. Yeah, no.
Dang.
Wow, it's like our yard. It's like us.
Told you it'd be a quick storm.
Yeah, it's a good thing that you didn't stay outside.
Yeah, really.
The place I was standing didn't have any effect to it.
I know.
I just got really
It
wet.
looks good without this tree here.
It does, kind of.
Well, we won't have as much leaves to take care of.
Can you believe that? Oh my god, that's kind of weird.
That lawnmower looks like it's done for.
Where?
the freaking tree fell on
You
you.
put it in a shed.
Well, I couldn't put it in the shed.
Probably got stuff in it.
Well, if it has any possibility of surviving, I guess I could try and hammer out the dents.
See what happened and let you guys know.
I wonder where this
Yeah, see that Douglas pine tree? See how it's leaning?
What?
That Douglas pine tree, it's leaning.
I don't think. Oh, the top came off of it, maybe?
No, it's leaning.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, it used to be pretty well straight, right up and down. Oh, dang. Well, yeah, I'm gonna send some footage into WZZM or something, maybe, or YouTube or something. Now, maybe if with luck, this just got its hood dented. Yeah, it looks dented. Oh, it popped up.
Seat's still in place.
Yeah, the hood's dented.
What are you gonna do? No.
Maybe it's just a dented hood.
Do you think it's okay for them to drive away?
Yeah, the storm's gone.
Okay.
It's done.
Hey, you don't be gone.
As long as they don't go to Ravenna.
Michael, don't be gone though.
Yeah. What? Oh, god dang it. Oh, dang it. I'll try to fix the mower. The mower just might have a dented hood, actually. What, tower's gone? Oh, tower damage.
Power damage? Where you see power line?
No, the tower's damaged.
Oh, we should look at power lines.
I think he might be just smart enough to know about power lines.
Oh, we don't drink beer with people whose trucks are destroyed. You know, ruined that whole thing, didn't it? Come over, Meg.
You think your yard's bad? Kevin. This is nothing. Most of our trees fell down.
Both of them?
Most of them. We have a whole tree fell down. Half our other tree fell down. One crushed our lawnmower.
First of all,
Yeah, look at our yard. It's completely all most of our trees were knocked down.
Really?
We got like the most damage for some reason. I saw this tree fell down, like shit.
I know, man. I'm thinking, oh my god.
My mom yanked me out into the whole kitchen.
My mom went into my sister. Oh my god, look at behind Scott and Nicole.
I think we got hit. Do you see the tower?
Oh my god.
I think we got nailed.
Look at the tower. Oh my god.
It's like the first big storm, and it's the worst
I
one.
know. I'm like,
This is the worst storm we've seen in a while, that's for sure. But yeah, that huge tree in the backyard, that's gone.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Part of this tree fell right down.
got any more trees down?
Oh my.
Yeah, that huge tree down. This part of the tree's gone.
In your backyard?
Yeah, we got a lot of branches and trees down.
I see fishers over there, guys.
There's some people on the trail trying
You
to
know
cut trees right
Tony's
now.
mom and
Yeah,
dad?
yeah.
A tree fell on top of their trucks.
Oh,
Who's that?
The Tony's mom and dad?
Oh, fishers over there.
Yeah. The tree fell on top of their trucks, destroyed them both.
that pine tree looks like it's leaning too.
Yeah.
But yeah, this tree's fell down.
Oh my god.
We got a huge branch down right there. A few of them.
You guys got hit.
This shed stayed up for some reason. I don't know how. That lawnmower was sitting at the wrong place at the wrong time. I couldn't get in the shed because of the bars linking to the